Welcome back. It's time to give fearless Taleigao for Taleigaonkaars. CM and Panji MLA Manohar Parrikar assured this while releasing manifesto of Together for Taleigao, a panel backed by him in Taleigao Panchayat election. On the other side, Babush Montserrat has started door-to-door campaign for his panel assuring clean and clean Taleigao.
ताळगांवच्या लोकांकूय आता भयमुक्ती दिवपाचो वेळ आयिल्लो आसा. म्हणजे एक पंचायतीची दहशतवाद हो गेल्या 10-15 वर्सां 10-12 वर्सां ताळगांवचेर सातत्यान लादपाचो प्रयत्न एका व्यक्ती कडच्यान जाता. ताका उत्तर म्हणून ताळगांवचे आमचे सगळे बरे मागपी एकत्र आयिल्ले आहा. भारतीय जनता पक्ष तांकां पूर्ण समर्थन करता आनी टुगेदर फॉर ताळगांव म्हणून तांच्यांनी मॅनिफेस्टो तांचो आयज म्हाका रिलीज करता आसतना आनंद दिसता.
On the other side, Santa Cruz MLA Babush Montserrat has started campaign for Taleigao Progressive Development Front. He has promised for green and clean Taleigao. His son Amit was also seen campaigning with him along with other supporters.
Development is a process. Always the old should be replaced with the new. So it is as time goes by, the development changes. We don't have anything new. Our thing is now this time our thing is green and clean Taleigao. That is very important.
Elections for 11 wards of Taleigao Panchayat will be held on 27th April. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Catholic community marked Maundy Thursday as sacred day all over the state. The washing of feet on the Thursday before Easter is a tradition commemorating Christ's Last Supper. The priest washes and kisses the feet of 12 people to replicate the Bible's account of Jesus' gesture of humility towards his 12 apostles on the night before he was crucified.
आज व्हडले भक्तीचे 3 दीस सुरू करता आनी हो दीस म्हणल्यार जेजूच्या शीम आनी मेन आसल्या मोगाचो समारंभाचो दीस. जेन्ना ह्या निमण्या ब्रेस्ताराक आमी आमचे भावार्थाचे व्हडले गुट जेजून घडून दवरले ते समारंभता. इमिसाची भेट करूंक ताणें याज्ञिकपणाची वॉर्ड इश्टापून दवरली आनीक याज्ञिकांक फरमायलें इमिसाची भेट करूंक ताणें आमकां आज्ञा दिल्या पळय ती आमच्या जिवितांत सांबाळूंक आनी ती आज्ञा म्हणल्यार आमी भावा भयणांची सेवा करूंक. तशे भाशेन ताणें सदांच ही सेवा केली, हो मोग केलो शेवट पर्यंत आनी सगळे सुपनायन निमण्या जेवणा सुमार हो मोग ताणें दाखयलो. आपल्याकूच रितो करून आपली कुड्या रोगोत घडून दवरून आनीक सिसांचे पांय धुवन आपल्या दुस्मानाचे पर्यंत सिसाचे पांय धुले आनीक ताणें आमकां आज्ञा दिल्ली आसा की ताणें केलां तशें आमी आमच्या बाबा पयना सोबें करचें आमच्या दुस्माना सोबें पर्यंत. आनी हे भाशेन आमी मोगा उदेशी सेवे उदेशी जेजूचे शीस खरेपणी आमी संवसाराक दाखोवंक पावतले आनी त्या भाशेन राज इश्टापूंक पावतले म्हण तो आमकां खात्री दिता.
Santander MLA Vishnu Wagh on Thursday met Governor Bharatveer Vanshu for immediate police search in the missing case of river navigation employee Antonio Fernandez. Antonio Fernandez is missing since 4th April. Keens of Antonio say police have not been able to find Antonio for past 13 days.
Keens of Antonio Fernandez and Vishnu Wagh on Thursday met Governor Bharatveer Vanshu at Raj Bhavan on Thursday. Antonio is a river navigation department employee and works at Vashi Devar. Antonio is a resident of Donapaul. Vishnu Wagh also met IGP on Thursday.
The investigation is going on at a snail's pace. There has been no whereabouts of Mr. Antonio have been found. Only his vehicle was found at Dargalim. And when police tried to track his mobile, perhaps the last signal they got was somewhere from Asagaon, Bardes. So, along with them today I met Honorable Governor Sri Vanshuji and requested him to look into the matter and instruct the police authorities to expedite the investigative process.
पुलिसान कंप्लेन दिली 4 तारखेर आणि अजून पासून तेणी कांयच हे करू ना अजून कांय इन्फॉर्मेशन आमकां दिवं ना इतले 14 days जाले आतां आमकां कितेंच दिवं ना तेचे आमचे
Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Kurtsade police has registered a FIR against South Goa Congress candidate Alex Reginaldo Lorenzo for violating Model Code of Conduct. FIR has been registered on the basis of a complaint filed by BJP leader Wilfred Miskita. Miskita has complained that on 3rd April, Alex Reginaldo Lorenzo and other Congress leaders showed some video footage including speech of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar in their public meeting, which is violation of Model Code of Conduct. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.